Let me welcome you all for this snapshot presentation, Building Team Confidence through Personality Development. In Marathi, व्यक्तिमत्व विकासाद्वारे संघाचा आत्मविश्वास निर्माण करणे. This presentation is being dedicated to my mother, Pushpa Agte, who was a school teacher in Maharashtra Higher Secondary School, Jabalpur, in 1950s or so. Tributes to Albert Bandura, who was a Canadian-American psychologist, who has David Starr Jordan Professor Emeritus of Social Science in Psychology at Stanford University. He was born in 1925 at Bandura, Canada on 4th December. He was a prize winner of National Medal of Science from President Barack Obama in ceremony held at White House on May 19, 2016. He has suggested a very good game, that is mind tool instrument game, and its interpretation and star rating. Mind tool instrument game, How Self-Confident Am I, has got a questionnaire where some instructions are given, that is 14 points questionnaire. For each statement, only one tick mark, the button in the column that best describes you. It is to be answered as you actually are rather than how you think you should be. And one should not worry if some questions seem to score in the wrong direction. When you are finished, you have to calculate your score, and that scoring is based on the three factors, that is number one, developing mastery experiences, number two, observe others, number three, manage stress. This module is applicable to industrial managers, workers, officers, school teachers, management school students, and any others who are interested. Here, he has utilized the concept of self-efficacy. What do we understand by self-efficacy? It's a belief in one's ability to accomplish tasks and achieve goals. Developing self-efficacy involves setting realistic goals, gaining relevant skills and knowledge, and experiencing success through efforts and persistence. Having solved this questionnaire, there will be final presentation with the interpretation of this mind tool instrument game and star rating to participants. So before we proceed, the preparation of evaluation Excel sheet is necessary where human resource department can be involved. The presentation begins with this simple understanding of about our five senses and the problem solving approach of rule of one husband and five wives. Then the warm-up session starts. Are you ready with your notepads, pen, pencils? Then participants have to write their own self-objectives and expectations. These are some of the glimpses. The first batch of managers and frontline supervisors of Minex Metallurgical Company, Kalmeshwar, Nagpur. This program workshop was conducted in February 24, and after the program, participants were required to take the pledge on completion of the workshop. This is another example of one school in Himachal Pradesh where this workshop was conducted, and you can see the principal and teachers who are working on this small project. The methodology which is adopted here is why personality development, what personality is not, what personality is, determinants of personality, nature-nurture issue, good personality attributes, objective, establish own identity, how it is to be done, personality development, how, clarity of goals and purpose of life, personality from inside and outside, positive attitude, why, requirements towards development of fine personality, types of personality, finally build your personality and interpretation of the game. The suggested way forward is how to boost the employee's performance. 1. To associate with a guest and visiting professor or trainer, CSR or corporate social responsibility HR, to identify the staff to whom their management desires to give exposure to subject workshop. One convenient day or date, time and location for conducting the workshop at site in small groups. LCD projector needs to be provided with group seating arrangement in a conference hall or classroom. Trainer shall bring his laptop with him. Repeat workshops to cover more number of participants. Workshop is conducted in English, Hindi, Gujarati and Marathi. Contact person Bhaskar Akte 8788587008 and email address also is given. Thank you for your presence, participation and involvement.